In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Bing News on homepage. If you prefer a clean, distraction-free search page, this quick walkthrough will help you remove the news and interests feed from Bing's homepage so you can focus on what matters. Start by opening your favorite web browser and going to https://www.bing.com. When the page loads, take a moment to sign in with your Microsoft account. This part is important because Bing saves many of your homepage preferences to your account. If you skip signing in, the change might only apply to that device or that browser session, and it could revert later. Once you're signed in, you're ready to adjust the homepage. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Bing homepage. You should see either a three-line menu icon or a small gear icon for settings. Click that icon to open Bing's personalization options. Different layouts may show slightly different icons, but they'll be in that upper right area and will open the same settings area you need. From the menu that appears, choose Customize your homepage. This takes you to a panel dedicated to how the front page looks and what it shows. Here you'll find switches for various elements, including the news and interests content that appears below the search box. Find the option labeled Show News and Interests and turn it off. As soon as you toggle it, the changes typically apply right away. You should see the news feed disappear, leaving a simpler, cleaner homepage centered on search. If you don't notice the change immediately, a quick refresh of the page can help. Because you signed in first, this setting should stay in place the next time you visit Bing, and it should carry over if you sign in on another device using the same account. That's all there is to it. You went to Bing, signed in so the setting would stick, opened the menu in the top right corner, selected Customize your homepage, and switched off Show News and Interests. If you ever want the feedback, you can return to the same place and turn the option back on. A few final tips. If you use multiple browsers, repeat this while signed in on each one to keep things consistent. And if you're using private browsing, your changes may not persist unless you're logged in. With that, your Bing homepage should now be neat, fast, and focused on search.